welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you real live, real correct, real ish-like to show you how I lay my wig. Bestlacewigs. It was like on sale for like a back to school. I ain't going back to school. I ain't in school. Those days are over for now. So I took it upon myself to buy one. It was like $40, but then they tried to play me because the shipping was like $20. So I ended up paying like $60. So they done lied to somebody, but still cheap for, you know, a bob wig. It's bomb. It's really soft. It's really soft. Today's my first day wearing it, so I just want to show y'all how I lay it. I wore it earlier and I didn't lay it. I just washed it and left, and I still look cute, but it is what it is. Came through dripping, drip, you know. I'm gonna continue to watch my video. I'll greatly appreciate it. Keep on watching, girl. Keep on watching, dude. Appreciate y'all. Keep looking out for more videos. I'm trying to be consistent. I appreciate y'all. So I just installed this wig. I think I'm going to go back and bleach the knots one more again, but I was in a rush today. I had to make it to the store. I had to go to T-Mobile. I mean, not T-Mobile. I had to go to Apple and get my phone screen fixed because it was cracked like every other iPhone out there in these streets. Right, so first, you got to get these baby hairs right. So you take the baby hairs out. I think I don't want to say overplug, but whatever.
Bruh.
I don't know why that thing is coming out from the comb, but whatever. Spray, but I want to hold my hair back. Hold this back. Now hold that back. But I'm going to use a mousse. Y'all remember this Spritz? They said y'all hair don't use, it smell like Spritz back in the day. I'm going to use a Spritz to hold my baby hairs down. The AC makes mad noise in the background. Okay, see? Smooth. That's one baby hair. That's one! Oh, hype stand. Alright. Y'all ready for the next one? See, this one ain't make no sense to even cut it, because don't judge my ashy hands. Because I'm about to cut some more anyway. Say what's mine? Stuff. Cause then y'all gotta have these wrapping strips. They sell this in the beauty supply store for like $2-3. I might be wrong, so don't hold me to it, okay? But they mad cheap in the beauty supply store, because if they weren't, I probably wouldn't even have it anyway. But yeah, you put them on your edges to tie down your baby hairs. Tiara Marie, she be doing this with her hair. And put another one. Yeah, I still don't put got to be glue on my edges, but I put it on the paper when I put the paper on my hair. Do the hair part. I'm going for the middle part. So part the hair. I should have parted it before I tied it down, but whatever. fix that later on. If you really want it flat, you could use the hot comb. But right now,
and
like a bald spot. That's when you part somewhere else. When the wig company want to send you some shenanigans like that, you show them and you part somewhere else. Here's gonna be really flat. I got this flat iron from a wig that I bought, and it came with it. I said I'm gonna do a review on it, and I need to because that wig is bomb. Bomb. So if you want your hair really flat, you put the flat iron on it, and then you take the comb and you go like that. That's how you do it. $90 to fix a cracked screen that I got for $29. So if you have Apple Care, go find out. Get your screen fixed. Yeah. Yeah! So pretty. I'm gonna link down below where I got this wig from, because I didn't make it. I just ordered it. Bro, you know I wasn't recording. I was just sitting there talking to myself. So what I did was spray this on the middle, right? The Spritz mousse. And I use my flat iron that I usually go in with my hot comb, but my flat iron is hot on the outside and on the inside. I did this. And then, wait on my head. Can't be freaking great out here in these streets. Let me just comb that through. I ain't that serious. See, you don't see it no more. Baby daddy right now. Let's rip it off. You out here in these streets. Cute as ever. Cute as ever. Cute as ever and whatever. This is cute. This is really good when you're trying to lay your hair down flat. This is called Lester's Sleek Stick. I'm gonna link it down below for you. I think I got it from Amazon, honestly. So put that in your hair. I know I'm putting a lot of product, but if you want your hair to lay, sometimes you gotta do things to lay it. I'll show y'all how to blend this out a little bit. So take some bronzer or whatever you use to contour your face, to chisel your jaw. And you take some, and all them spots that look crazy, you know, you just fill them in. That's a little bit too much. A little bit teenage. All them white spots that nobody got time for. You fill them in. I usually don't even use a small brush. I use a big one, but for the most part, I can see that. You see that sting? See that sting? I guess not. Okay, so take that. Be very careful, y'all. This shit will burn your hand. I tell you, I be burning myself for beauty. Do this because I like my hair flat. You want flat? This is what you gotta do.
Oh my
Don't tie it too tight because you don't want your hair to crease. That on. Then you take it off and you good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Deuces.